Kyle here. And it's kind of like a first vlog for me here. And man, I don't know, man. I'm just kind of like laughing myself because first time I'm traveling here. It's Kashmir, man. I recently just woke up and I just came from that place. It's actually like a Srinagar that you just take a cab from the straight up to Jammu, but that was quite expensive. And myself, like, I think it's not gonna be a good if I'm just gonna take a, you know what I mean, like a cab to Jammu. So I wanted to travel by a train and let's see how far we can reach. It says 10:30, right? You gotta get the food here if you just get the starving. Cracks, pizza. A lot of junk food, man. Honestly, I don't have much money, and I think a lot of people are waiting for the train, man. It's my friend that I met. Huh? It's already off. It was a really bad experience, dude. I don't even know what exactly happened when I just came from that station because a lot of cops just came. Just asking like there's no permission that you can take the video, but finally we just, you know, finally we'll leave that station. I don't know how much time it's gonna take.
कभी किसी का कुछ होता है, कभी कुछ होता है, गाड़ी धक्का दे साला फंस गया गाड़ी का गाड़ी
Oh my God, oh, holy shit, bro. We just had a lunch, you know, the bus that we just took. Weather is crazy here, you know, I'm getting sweating. And this is the places you can see here, man. I don't know where exactly we at, but this is the captain, you know what I mean? You can hold the camera. Nice guy. Oh. 350, you know what I'm saying? Anybody out there who want to travel for the less money, 350. I finally just reached here, so the weather is just kind of like a crazy. I don't even know what exactly happened, and I just looked for the washroom, kind of wash my face. Now I'm at a Jammu, so I'm thinking about I'm gonna find a place where I can just sit and, you know, just going straight to the good. Yeah, so but still I got some bucks and I don't know what's gonna happen. Maybe I need someone who can help me. I don't know where I'm gonna stay, so catch you guys. Hey yo guys, finally I'm reached here. There's tons of, you know, the shops who just offering for a, or just offering for the sleeper and buses. So you gotta tell someone नमस्ते सर होटल त्रिकुटा राम सिंह होटल राम सिंह
ये वो बिल्डिंग है
just keep walking to find a the guy who kind of like offering us a sleeper, but I don't really want to have a bad experience if I get the sleeper. It should be comfortable. Not to pay him more money. That's not, I don't mind for that. That's not an issue. Namaste. Hotel Ram Singh.
ये बड़े वाला टावर वाला बिल्डिंग है
जी सर
इसके साथ वो पेड़ है
हाँ
वो पेड़
त्रिकुटा बिल्डिंग
ये त्रिकुटा बिल्डिंग वो पेड़ है ट्री ट्री
इसके वो वाला हाँ थैंक यू सर Alright, people are pretty friendly, especially when you just talk, the tuk-tuk guys and other folks. We're just gonna keep walking and look for the guy, what he just gonna offer us. And I'm thinking about, it's just, he's gonna give us a good price, like I mentioned before. So I think before I'm gonna hop off, I need to hit a phone call. Let me just call the guy real quick. Let me hit the. God damn it! This is so hard, bro. Hey, can't even breathe. It's like I need a guy just not picking up my phone. So, there's a lot of shops here. Hello. मैं यहीं पे हूँ कौन कहाँ हूँ सर त्रिकुटा बिल्डिंग कहाँ Oh yeah I see all right we'll find a guy finally so we're gonna talk to him and hi sir how you doing all right let's sit holy shit oh my god man so crazy weather dude I can't even breathe look at my body everything's gotta soak it up all right it seems like the guy is offering us a good deal ठीक है what I'm not understanding. What are you saying? Photo state. Print. Yeah, I almost a reach over guy. So, I'm gonna go to his shop and maybe sit a while because I'm really getting sick. The weather is just killing me. You know what I'm saying? So I think we have to take a permission him before we. Sir, मैं back on the. Okay. All right. We'll just take the permission. Now I'm gonna sit here and wait until the guy can just come. Huh? Man, we finally reached here, so I need to wait until the guy will came back, until our sleeper will come. So I catch you guys later, you know what I'm saying? So peace and love you all and support me. Go and subscribe my YouTube and follow my Instagram. So next time when I put my video, it will really appear. It will just come to your screen. Peace. We are. The sleeper looks good, man. I'm here this morning 4 5 o'clock, I guess.